Hello gamers! In order to resolve the DirectX 12 is not supported on your system error in Marvel Rivals, start by ensuring that your system meets the minimum requirements for DirectX 12. This includes having a compatible graphics card, such as an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 AMD RX 580 or Intel Arc, and running Windows 10 64-bit version 1909 or later. To check your Windows version, press Win plus R, type WinVer, and hit Enter. If your version is older than 1909, you should update your Windows to the latest version. Next, update your graphics drivers by visiting the official NVIDIA or AMD website to download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. After installing the new drivers, restart your PC to apply the changes. Additionally, verify the integrity of the game files through Steam. Open your library, right-click on Marvel Rivals, select Properties, go to Manage Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. You may also want to adjust the launch options for the game. Right-click on Marvel Rivals in Steam, select Properties, and in the General tab, check for any command line arguments in the launch options box. Remove any instances of -DX12 or -D. And if there are none present, try adding -DX11 to force the game to run with DirectX 11. After making these adjustments, restart your computer to ensure all updates take effect. If you still encounter issues after trying all these solutions, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Marvel Rivals as a last resort. If problems persist, it may be necessary to wait for an official fix from the developers, as some players continue to experience difficulties despite meeting the requirements. Hope you got value and got solution fix.